2 weeks in a row, I look stunning. I don't wear mascara that much. One day I just feel like wearing mascara and my boyfriend said, wow, your eyelashes are really growing straightforward. And you know what? Got Mighty Instagram gave me an ad about lash lift kit. I ordered it, but not from Instagram. I found it on eBay, which cost £9.99, but I paid like £11.99 for the delivery fee. You would know that if you saw my last video about the brow lamination. So this is from the brand called Icon Sign. I did permanent lash lift and in Hong Kong, I think it cost around 30 something, 40 pounds. It did maintain a very good curl for almost 2 months, so I want to see if I can achieve that at home just with £9.99. So without further ado, let's get started. If you open the box, then you will see there is a eyelash glue, firm solution, fixation, nutrition and cleanser, and then with a clean tool and lash lift packs. I watched some videos on YouTube, so I'm just gonna follow the steps, and I think, you know, it's pretty straightforward because on the solution you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, first of all, I'm just gonna take a cotton bud and swipe my eyelids in case there's any makeup foundation on my eye area. And then I'm gonna take these lift packs. They have small, medium, medium 1, medium 2 and large size, and let's see how it looks like. Size is essentially how thick or how curl you want your eyelash to be. So if it is like this, I'm not sure if you can see, it's pretty thick here, so your eyelash will be like more C-curve rather than like a straight up. If you do use a pad like this, so you see it's pretty thin, so your eyelash will be pretty straight up. Small means that it's like straighter. When it's larger, then it means it's more like curvy. I think with my really tiny lashes, I'm gonna use this small to give it a really upward curl. Before we start, I just want to show you how my natural lash looks like. On the side, you can see it's going pretty downward or straightforward, and in the front you can't really see any lashes, and you see my eyebrows are really crazy, really like brushed up. It's because I did this DIY brow lamination. If you are interested in that, you can check out my previous video. For the first step, put the glue on the pad. I'm going to stick it to my eyelid. Line. Yeah, the glue is not sticking quite well. Now it's like this, it's really hard for me to see. So now I'm looking like this. The lash glue is actually not bad. So the next step is to apply more glue on top of this pad and then start gluing up my tiny lashes. So in the kit, it comes with this clean tool, where I feel like I can move my lips also. So in the clean tool, you have one side is with a brush, another side is like flat. I'm using the flat side first, just to pat all the eyelash up, and then I will have to brush them through so it won't stick together. It's a little bit hard to stick the end here. I'm just gonna try to brush it through now. And I think you need to be super patient about this step, because how you lay down your lashes will be how it will come out in the end. So make sure they don't go across each other. 2 weeks in a row, I look stunning. At the end here, it's really hard to move. We just really want to brush them out. Upward, upward. Come on. I don't know if my eyes will be watery because I can't really close my eyes, neither open it. My eyes started to be watery. Maybe I stick the pad a little bit too in the front and then poke it to my inner corner. I hope it's gonna be fine. If I look really painful, it is pretty uncomfortable. After that, I am going to apply this #1 solution perm. These perm solutions smell really bad. Like, I mean, it's very chemical. It's just smell exactly like the perming thing that you can smell in the salon. I think you don't need too much of it. I'm trying to not apply too much. I'm so scared that it would go into my eye. So now I'm gonna brush a little. Use the brushing side to brush out the excess. Okay, and the next step is take the clear film. Just cut a really small one and put on there. And then I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes. Welcome back. 10 minutes passed. Remove this and then just use a Q-tip to slightly brush it so that the perm solution excess will be brushed away a little. And then go into the second solution, fixation. I don't know why my lips don't move when my eyes can't move. This time I'm gonna dip this cotton bud directly in the solution and just apply with it. I feel like it's more convenient. Okay. And don't apply too much. I found that when I apply way too much of the permanent solution, and actually moves the glue in the eyelashes. So just a very thin layer would be enough. The same direction, try not to move them. And like that, we are going to wait for another 10 minutes with this on. And another 10 minutes passed, and I actually just read the back of the instruction. After this, I actually have to clean off with all the residues with the cleansing 4 first instead of using #3. So it's using solution #1, #2, and #4, then #3. So #4 is a cleanser. I will just use cotton bud, dip a little, and then swipe it. So first it has to remove all the residues. And then remove the pads. So I'm really excited to see if my lashes are going upward. Guys, wow. I mean, I still have glue on my lip, but look at this. This side and this side, oh my god. It actually is really straight up. Like straight up. If you look at the side, just like this. Wow. Okay, I still have glue on my eyelid, so I'm going to use the cotton bud to dip the cleanser again, and then just wipe my eyelids. Wow. You can see my eyelash from a distance. That's crazy, man. First brush out a little, like brush them nicely. And then apply the #3 nutrition. Okay, and then comb them nicely again. So I still have some glue on my eyelid. It's a little hard to really clean off the glue. I will use cotton bud and put some cleansing solution on it and wipes a little bit. Okay, so before we move on to the right eye, I just want to let you see the difference of eyelashes. That's crazy. I love it how it turns out. Next time I might try the medium pad, so on this side it doesn't go that right on my lid here, because my lid is pretty puffy, so it kind of sits on my lid. So I'm just going to move on to the right hand side and do exactly the same thing already. This time I am going to apply this glue directly to my lid. Maybe then it will stick better. This time I'm gonna hold the pad a little longer with my finger. So the key to really stick it is just to hold the white pad, go up and hold like a few seconds, and then it just stick really well. And that's all done. Alright, that's it. I am freaking happy about the result. So guys, if you are kind of like DIY person or you don't want to pay that much of money, I totally recommend you to just go to eBay and get this kit. It is freaking amazing and I love how the result turns out. So that's all with this video today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click that subscribe button now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.